Hey babes, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome. I'm Lauren. So today's video is a little bit different than any of the ones that I filmed. It's going to be a hair tutorial on this beachy wave look that I've been loving lately. I've been religiously doing this hairstyle for about 2 months now, and I've seen people at Coachella that have done it. Bloggers are styling their hair like this as well, so it's really in for summer, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial, show you how easy it is for you to achieve the super trendy beachy wave look. And yeah, I don't know, I just thought it would be fun, so let's get started. So I went ahead and did a middle part, and I say middle part because I literally can never get a straight line, even if I use a comb, so we're just gonna forget about that. One thing that I love to put in my hair before I even start ironing it is this Hot Toddy Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist, and it's by Drybar. It's this really cute like pink bottle, and this one protects your hair up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really, really good. So beautiful, beautiful. This is not attractive. So then once I have the first section basically sectioned off, I like to turn on my straightener. And the one I'm going to be using today is a GHD Classic Styler. It's just one that I've been using for years, and it's really, really good. So I definitely recommend this one if you guys want a good straightener. It also has the ceramic plates, which I know is kind of important. So okay guys, so I'm back, and I already did this half of my head just because I figured out that it was really hard to do this on camera and also in this tiny mirror setup that I have, so it was just going to be a little bit too difficult. I did this side, and now I'm just going to show you how to do it on what's left of this hair. So the technique, you guys, is really, really simple. Basically, just how you would take your hair if you're straightening your hair, where you would just clamp it like that. You're going to be clamping the strand, but instead of just straightening it down, you're going to be moving your hand back and forth as you go down. Now this technique is a little bit difficult if you've never done it, because it's not just going like this down. You really have to like do sort of like a 180 every time you turn, so it's not just like this, because you're not really going to get anything. You do kind of have to go a little bit slow, because if you go too fast you won't get a very curly wavy look. So I'll just show you guys. So clamp, out, in, out, in, out, in. There you go. So let me repeat it on this strand. Out, in, out, in, in. Just like that. So now that I'm done, the next thing that I like to do is spray some of the wave spray by Ouai. I do have the little travel size because I take this with me whenever I travel, and I just don't like traveling with big bottles, so that's why I have the little travel size. I know that it seems like I have enough waves, but I promise you guys this makes it look less of like perfect and more sort of natural, if that makes sense. So these are the extensions I wear. They're Luxy hair extensions. I really love this brand. They have really good quality hair, very, very thick, and they last a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and curl these extensions, and then I'll come back, put them in my hair on video so that you guys can see how I put in my extensions, and then just show you guys the final result. So the first one that I always start out with is the 3-clip weft. It looks like this, and then it just has the clips. So what I like to do is put my hair behind my head, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and take the bottom section of my hair. So that's mainly like right under my ears. And then, so basically what I do is I progressively go upwards until I put in all the extensions. As you guys can see, these front pieces aren't completely covered. So what I like to do is take a 3-clip and a 2-clip weft, and I put them sort of starting right here back, and that's just gonna fill in those gaps. So this is the beachy mermaid hairstyle look. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video and try it out yourselves. Like I showed you guys, it's a pretty simple process to do, and I think it looks so cute for spring and summer. If you like my video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.